If you clicked on this video because you thought it was a different type of scissors, click off. Hi YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time that I upload. You can also follow me on all my socials. They will be linked down below. So I was scrolling on YouTube recently and I was looking up double cowtail tutorials and scissor tutorials for shuffling, and I found that there was such a lack of tutorials out there. So I thought, who better to bring it to you than me? So for today's video, I will be teaching you how to do the scissor shuffle move. All my tutorials are super easy to follow along to. I teach you step-by-step instruction. Get warmed up. Let's get into today's video.
As I start, all my tutorials here is just a demo of the scissors move. For step 1, in our starting position, we're going to stand feet shoulder width apart. Now, me being dominant on my right leg, I'm going to take my right leg, cross it across my body to my left side. So it's sort of on a diagonal angle. I'm going to plant my right heel, pointing my right toe to the left side of my body. The next part of the movement is the drag across, which you can see I'm doing here with both my legs. So I'm going to start again with the right leg, planting the heel across my body to the left side, toe up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bend my knees, jump, and pivot outwards so that my right foot is coming out now to the right side, still on the heel on my right foot and bouncing on my left foot, keeping my knees soft. So I'm going to show you from the back. So bringing my right foot across on my heel, bend my knees, and jumping out to the right side. So it's basically a sweep. So you're going to sweep your right leg from the left side to the right side. Step number 2 of this movement is switching legs and then dragging the left leg across. So I'm going to show you. So we're going to start again with our right foot crossing over to the left side, jump and sweep. Then what we're going to do is bend both our knees and we're going to essentially switch our feet, switching the position they're in. So now our left foot's going to come forward with our toe up and our right foot's just going to be flat on the ground. So I'm going to start again with my right foot crossing over, as you can see. Then I'm going to drag it across. Then we essentially switch our feet so the left foot takes the right foot's position with the heel up. So try it. Start on the right side with your heel up, jump to the right, sweeping it, and then jump and switch legs. So now we'll combine step 1 and 2. So right foot, right heel, pivot across, switch feet. And let's try it from the back. Same thing, right foot, sweep it across, jump, switch legs, now the left foot's in front. Step 3 is to do the same thing we did on the right leg with the left. So now we want to sweep the left leg across. So it's going to be the exact same thing. So you're going to bend both knees, jump your left foot out to the left side. So now your left toe will be pointing to the left and up, and your right foot will be the one that's back. Same thing, jump to the left. Same thing as we did on the right foot. So I'll show you from the back. So we'll start in our right foot, sweep across, jump, switch, and then jump and sweep to the left. So let's put step 1, 2, and 3 together. This is what it should look like. So the next part of this, I guess we could call it step 4, is adding the jumping. So this move needs to be done while you're staying very light on your feet and jumping around. So essentially you're not just sliding your foot flat across the ground. As you can see I'm doing here, I'm bending my knees, jumping over to the right side as I'm doing the right sweep. When I switch legs, I am jumping, lifting both feet up in the air, then I'm jumping again to do the left sweep. Again, switch to the right in front, and I'll show you it from the back. So I'm putting the right in front, bend both knees, jump, sweeping my right foot to the right, then to switch legs, again jumping, landing soft, and then doing another sweep. Step 5 is about toe movement. This is just working on perfecting. So when you're doing your jump, your back foot is going to take most of the heat. Your back foot is what is going to be driving the movement. So you're very light on your front foot. So the foot where the heel is up, as you can see, the left is very light, but most of the weight's on the back foot. So you're kind of leaning back a bit in this movement. So as we start, we're going to stay flat on our feet when we're landing, but when you're doing your jump, you want to push using your toe. So as you can see, as I'm sweeping across here and I'm doing the jump to sweep across, when I'm jumping, I'm putting most of the weight on my back toe, but I'm landing flat on my foot with the back leg. So when you jump, it'll make sense when you do the movement to just put most of the weight on your toe when you're pushing off, just so you can get that momentum to sweep your leg. But as you land, you want your foot to be flat. And that's it. You're done. You should have the move. Congratulations. Good work, guys.
And that is it for today's shuffle tutorial. If you guys liked it, again, give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more shuffle tutorials, comment down below what tutorial you need help on. And if you're just looking for more tutorials in general, I have an entire shuffle tutorial playlist that is also linked in the description, so you can check out as many tutorials, the running man, T-step, rocking, as you please there. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in a few days in my next video.